you've seen our Fanny. Yes, Jeff, do you have a question? Yes, you can use the restroom. It's just over there. No, you don't need the restroom.
The song called Danes, D-A-N-S, with an exclamation mark. I know y'all know that song. Danes.
Dons.
Dons.
Yes. It's on our Unmistakable CD.
Y'all play Dons?
We do, but that was released in, I want to say, 2005. You gotta catch up, You gotta catch up. We got like 4 hours of music since then. Do you really want to hear it? Do you really want to hear it? Do you have a smartphone? Do you have a smartphone? You don't. Do you have any friends who have a smartphone? Do you have any friends? You have a flip phone. That has nothing to do with anything. No, smartphone. Smartphone, not a smoke. We didn't even have sex yet. Come here, Jeff, come here. I want you to just take a look at all these people that are amazingly bored right now and wondering why the hell you keep talking to us. Because they came here for a bunch of music and some dancing.
Dons. Can you play Dons?
Try iTunes. Sorry, we can catch up. This is we're going to bring up a dancer who, I don't mean to take this the wrong way. But she's a lot better than you are. She's really dead sexy, Jeff. No, don't put you down. Don't worry. See us after the show. We'll send you a link or something. You know, we'll educate you in the digital music world. So until then, though, lads and lasses, here we are. It's All Hallows Eve. I know there are a lot of the costumes that we see year after year here at the Renaissance Festival. I mean, I've got to give you a shout out. This is the best jack-o'-lantern that I've... Can you stand up on the bench? Can you stand on the bench? They're still ready to go off. Just so the people can see you there. Is that hell yeah. It's like costume sponsored by Tim Burton. What is your name? I can't hear you through the pumpkin. Say again? Tyler, you look amazing. And I look forward to seeing you in a Halloween film. This is Halloween. This is... Alright, so before we get off track, lads and lasses, some of the costumes here, people spend a lot of time putting a costume together or shopping for a costume so that they can look as sexy as they can for All Hallows Eve weekend. And we would like to raise the sexy quotient for this performance right now by inviting our very own Sophia Ballantyne to the stage. Her rhythmic undulations are renowned, lads and lasses, and for the past 11 years now, Tartanic has been presenting badass bagpipes and the rhythmic undulations of Sophia Ballantyne. I know. She has traveled the world, studied in the Middle East to further her belly dance skills, graduating from university in the great kingdom of Manhattanstan. With not 1 but 2 degrees in dance and psychology, and this is her full-time employment. Lads and lasses, the truth is Sophia isn't very different from you and I. Sophia grew up just a small-town girl, living in a lonely world. Oh no! Until that one fine day, lads and lasses, she took that midnight train, going everywhere. Yeah, that's a great moment. For those of you that sang along, that has nothing to do whatsoever with this performance. But yes, thank you for taking that little journey with us. I know, this is why we're dancing and doing music, because it's so much better than the humor. So, lads and lasses, this All Hallows Eve, coming to you 39 years in the making for this festival, 11 for Tartanic, and only 25 years for Sophia herself. And it's your birthday! Well, it was, like, just yesterday, right? Yeah, so, lads and lasses, give a big birthday cheer for our very own Sophia! I've got to ask your name, sorry. Let's say again. Derek. Can we get a little applause for Derek? He wasn't really sure what to expect. Is this your sister, or you're here with friends? Your girlfriend? And you didn't get that on video? There's been so much incriminating evidence. Oh, he has the phone. Well, this gentleman right beside you, he's been filming the entire show. So if you post that on YouTube or tag us on the Facebook, then we'll have like 30,000 people watching Derek shake it with Sophia. Well, it's taken a while to get that many people, but lads and lasses, that's like a typical day with good weather at the festival. So we're proud to have that many people liking bagpipes, digging the show, liking the drums, having a particular affinity for guys without pants. It really does our hearts well. So in this time that we've been together,